Somewhere high up in the air, there I had long forgotten I belong to you. Some unconscious stream of twisted logic caught me in its whirlwind, left me black and blue.
The day that we met, our souls have danced entangled, no matter the distance between us. Your dedication to your passions and thirst for adventure has inspired me every day to be the best that I can be for us and for myself.
All I left unspoken left me torn wide open, barely still alive.
We gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of Heather and Karel. You have come here to share in these formal commitments they made to one another, to offer your love and support to this union, and to allow Heather and Karel to start their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and most important to them.
Find a way, oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Our souls are inextricably connected, incapable of being disentangled, undone, or loosed. It's perplexing how we make such a perfect match. How is it possible? I'm not entirely sure, but it's completely fitting. These souls are like magic. This life, this existence, the beauty of nature, it's all some kind of magic.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts. Through it all, the world we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
I commit to you fully and completely. I promise to listen to you carefully and attentively. I promise to be open and honest, especially with the difficult conversations. And I promise to hold you in my heart with every action that I take. I promise to protect the sanctity of our private life. I promise to maintain the structure of our relationship, to keep the windows and the walls in all the right places, and to breathe fresh air and light into every room.
Through the good times and the bad, I will be by your side, to celebrate your triumphs and to help you through your challenges. I promise to keep you warm at night, to roll you up like a sushi when you're sick,
Thank you.
and to be a calm port for you to anchor yourself when the seas of life get too rough.
Somehow, for the places that I've been, the only place where I fit in is here with you. Somehow, for all the times that I was wrong, I've known all along that I'm meant.
Your compassion and caring for others is beautiful and unique. I will do all I can to support you in our life together, and to be open, honest, and sympathetic to you always. You're my shining light, my life explorer until the end of my days, and I will, with all my power, continue to make the music for our souls to dance to.
Tell me how.
And from this day forward, I promise that I will continue to put forth my best effort now and forever to support our marriage and may continue to flourish and grow, and to make appropriate sacrifices to prioritize you and our love. And I can't wait for the test of time to prove it all over and over again. I love you, Karel. And I couldn't be more happy to take you as my husband now until the end of our days.
Yours to take forevermore, evermore. Now and always, you're my future, you're my past. Now and always, you're my first thing, you're my last. And we'll walk down the aisle. So let's walk down the aisle.
I give you this ring
as a daily reminder
as a daily reminder
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
My whole heart, for my whole life, with my whole heart, let's walk down the aisle.
As a daily reminder
As a daily reminder
of my love for you.
of my love for you.
Walk down the aisle. So let's walk down the aisle. Right now, for the words that we could say, there's only just one way I feel for you. And right now, for every promise we could make, my hand is yours to take forevermore, evermore. Now and always, you're my future, you're my past. Now and always, you're my first thing, you're my last. And we'll walk down the aisle. So let's walk down the aisle.
Today, you have created a new dynasty. I officially declare you, in the name of the state of the world, married. I present you, dear friends and family, Karel Terra and Heather Terra. You may kiss her.
Now and always, you're my future,